Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A20s. First of all, go into Play Store on both and tap on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can choose not now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of this Samsung smartphone and receive next to Send on Samsung Galaxy A20s. Also on A20s, click on the best option for your apps. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Samsung smartphone. On it, tap on all of those categories at the top and pick those type of dots to select all files from your category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you're ready, choose Send next to selected in order to continue. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon located next to Input key on A20s. Now, to allow camera access, select while using or only this time in the pop-up. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code and wait. If you wish to input this key though, click on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers correctly and connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!